Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply foundation for that flawless face and few tips and tricks here and there. So if you want to know how that is done, then please continue watching. To get that flawless face, skincare is very important. To begin with, first step will be to cleanse your face. So cleanse your face with your favorite face wash. I've already cleansed my face with the face wash. Now comes the second step, which is toning. So toning is equally important. So for toner, I'm using this Gulabri rose water, and you can use any other toner you have. And what I do is that I fill this cute spray bottle with rose water and I take a cotton pad like this, spray some rose water on this and some on my face, and wipe up this rose water to get that cleansed face. You can get these cute spray bottles from Miniso. I bought the entire set from there and I just love these bottles. They are really handy and really useful. After toning comes your exfoliation. Now exfoliation is very important when it comes to remove all the dirt and gunk from your face. You can exfoliate your face 1 or 2 times a week. In your skincare, you can also incorporate some facial oils. They are really helpful when it comes to give some extra hydration to your face. And these facial oils helps you in achieving that healthy and dewy look. So for facial oil, I'm using rosehip cold pressed oil from Nykaa, and I'll take some drops out of it. I'm taking some drops on the tips of my finger. And I'm just pressing it onto my skin, not rubbing it or anything, just gently pressing it against my skin like this. Now once you're done applying facial oil onto your face, do not forget your under eye area, because that is the area where many people get dryness. And this step also helps in non-creasing of your concealer. So with the help of your ring finger, just make sure that you gently press this oil under your eyes. And now comes the moisturizing part, and for that I'm using this L'Oreal Hydra Fresh Anti-Ox Moisturizer. This is actually a balm which works perfectly for this dry season. It is quite heavy as compared to the other moisturizers. So I'm taking the generous amount of this moisturizer on my fingertips and applying this gently all over my face. And the next step before we start applying our foundation is priming. Now priming is very important. Using this Wet n Wild primer here, it helps in refining pores, fill fine lines, brighten complexion and even skin tone. So if you want your makeup to last long, really long, then do not forget to prime your face. And I'm using this primer wherever I have pores, like on my cheeks. I've gone a little overboard with my primer. My forehead area, my nose, chin, and a little bit on my upper lip area. Now before I dive into the application of foundation, I want to say that it's very important to remove your facial hair, because if you have facial hair and you will start applying your foundation, you will not get that flawless finish, flawless base for the application of other products. So make sure that you remove your facial hair. Now for the removal of your facial hair, you can totally opt for waxing, bleaching or razor, but make sure that you are comfortable with the procedure you are going for. Go for the option whatever your skin likes, whatever suits to your skin, but please remember that be gentle to your skin. Now let's begin the application of foundation. I'm using L'Oreal True Match foundation. Make sure that the sponge is damp so that it absorbs the excess amount of product and gives you that natural flawless finish to your face. Do not drag your product, do not drag your foundation like this while applying it. Just have to gently dump the foundation onto your skin. So make sure that you do not drag it like this, or you do not bounce like this your foundation to your face. Gently dabbing the foundation all over your face. And whatever is left on my sponge, you all know already that I take all that leftover product onto my forehead. I don't apply any additional amount of foundation on my forehead. I really like to keep it as natural as possible. Also, please do not take too much of foundation because it's gonna make your face look cakey, and that is not what we are looking for. So if you want a little more coverage, you can go for concealer, or you can also go and take a little amount of foundation and apply wherever you need that extra coverage. Now for concealer, I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is in the shade medium, and I'll hide my dark circles with this, and also I will hide my problematic areas with the help of this concealer. I'm taking the same beauty sponge to blend out this concealer. Once I feel that I'm happy with the coverage I want, I'll go on and set my face with the help of a loose powder. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade medium. And it's very important to set your under eyes because that's the area that really needs setting with the help of a loose powder or pressed powder, depending on your preference. Because this is the area that tends to crease really quickly, so set it first. The brush I'm using is from PAC 219, and whatever is left in my brush, I'll just set my eyelids also. I will not set my entire face, but I will definitely set my T-zone area because that is the area again which tends to get oily with the time. Just setting my T-zone very lightly. I'm just applying the powder on my T-zone. For the application of powder, it's very important to set your face. So just in case if you do not have a setting spray, what you can do is that you can have rose water in this spray bottle and take your sponge. Spray this sponge with the help of this rose water and very gently tap this sponge onto your face. So like this, your powder will melt into your skin and you will not have that powder face or cakey face. So I just went ahead and completed my face with blush, mascara, highlighter and lipstick. So these were the really quick and easy steps to get the desired finished look of your foundation. I hope you all will find this video useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for the future updates. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm going to see you in my next. Till then, keep smiling, stay positive. Bye.